So if you're looking for a great tool to use to go live for your live streams, for your podcasts, or for instance for YouTube tutorials, for like book marketing like I do, then stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about Streamyard, the program that you can use for these kinds of things. So stick around. Hey, I'm Jay Sharpe, award nominee and best-selling author of suspense novels who want to help you sell and publish more books. If there's something you're interested in, feel free to subscribe. You can find more information on www.jsharpefiction.com. Alright, so here we are inside of Streamyard. So if you don't have an account yet, just go to streamyard.com and create an account. There is a free account you can use, and if you want to have more features, then you need to have a paid account. I'll show you what the difference is in a minute. Now, this is the front end. So what we can see here, already had a test done a couple of days ago, but we have an option to go broadcast and we have an option to go destinations. If you go to broadcast, you see upcoming broadcast and past broadcast. So if I click on broadcast, these are one of our episodes that we did. And the good thing about that is that you can actually use that to download the recording. So if you want to post that later on Facebook or YouTube, you can always do that, download it, and maybe even change some things if you like to do that as well. You can delete it, view it on Facebook, or enter the broadcast studio. Now, where can you live stream or everything? You see here a couple of destinations. We are actually using this for a new book program, an online live book program with the publisher Silverspore. So the three of us are basically interviewing other authors and talking about books and publishing in general here in the Netherlands. That's not that important for now, but just in case if you're wondering what this is. So you see here our destinations are our Facebook pages. And if you click on add destination, you can see to where you can stream. So you can stream to Facebook pages, groups, profile, Twitch, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Periscope. And it depends a little bit on what you have, if you have a paid account or a free account. But we have a paid account, which means that we can stream simultaneously to two platforms. So we will be doing live on YouTube and live on our Facebook group. So let's say you want to go live on a Facebook group, you just click here, it automatically sends you to Facebook and connects it. So with a few clicks, you'll be able to manage that. Now let me show you what it looks inside of the broadcast. So I'm just taking the test now. If you go enter broadcast studio, I can show you a little bit what it looks like when you go live. So you can use this to go live. Or you can use this to make YouTube videos, for instance, and publish it on a later date. Now, normally it says here to unmute the cam, you'll see yourself here. It won't do that now because I'm using a different program to set everything up right here. Now here we are in the inside. Normally you see myself or yourself here on the left hand, and if you want to have yourself inside of this program, you just click on this and then you show yourself right over here. Now the things I wanted to show you is we have our comments, banners, brand, private chat, and of course the settings. So let's first go over those. Comments basically mean if you are going live on Facebook or YouTube, for instance, and somebody is posting a comment, it will automatically show in this inbox, so you can actually respond to that comment. And if you click on that comment, let me show you, I can show you that. See, if you click on that comment, this is just a test comment, but it will appear right here with their name and with a profile picture, unless they don't like that, of course. So if there's a certain question that sticks out and you want to answer it, you could choose to show the comment right in the screen. What else do we have? We have banners. Now we have a couple of banners set up in Dutch. You can create a banner just to go down here and create a banner and just type in whatever banner you like. You can use this as a call to action as well. So for instance, we have welcome to this episode. You can just click that and it will appear right there. So it works the same way as letting the comments appear in your screen. Then we have a branding. Now this is the most important feature, and most of these features are actually on the paid version. So on the free version you can do a few things, but not too much. For instance, in a free version you have this logo here of StreamYard. You can't take that away, and you can't use everything in the free version. So if you have a paid version, you actually can hide that, or in our case, we're uploading our own logo. Now what we have here is our team. So if you normally have your names here in the bottom, you can discard that or make it bigger or minimum with these things. You can change the brand color. We have a gray brand color because yeah, that's just the publisher's color, basically brand color. Now before we're gonna discuss overlays, let's scroll down here. We have backgrounds, and you can see here everything you see upload. So it's very easy just to upload your own backgrounds in this case. So this is the standard what you get when you have the free version of StreamYard, but we want to have a gray one, so we just click on that and we have a gray one. We're actually going to update that relatively soon because we find this one a little bit too boring. You can show display names, yes or no, but you also can use the overlays. Now overlays, you see here, if you don't know what an overlay is or what it's supposed to be, what the max file size is, for instance, it shows you that right over here. Now this is the standard one. Let's go this right there. This is a standard one, so it means says live with StreamYard. Now if your brand name is not StreamYard, you don't want to use this, I reckon. But it's just to show you what is a possibility. For instance, this is our own. We have our book program is live about books. You can join us every week on Wednesday at 7:30 Amsterdam time, so Europe time, on Facebook and YouTube. So just find Silver Spore and you will find that. It's in Dutch though, so it probably only works if you can understand Dutch. But this is our program, so live about books. In the logo, you can hide that or show that right over there. But what you also can do is you can actually use some videos as well. So if you have created like an intro, then you actually can upload that. The video can't be too big, so keep it short, but you want to keep it short anyways because it's just a small small video, of course. So let me show you how that looks like. So if I enter our video, then you see right this. All right, so this is just a small example what an intro can be. This is just our intro. You can make your own, of course, with different programs. And you see here we have different videos what we use inside of our live program. You can have an outro as well. It works the same way. Now, if you scroll down here, let me see if I can make this a little bit wider. There we go. If you see here, we have unmute. Start cam. Again, I can't use that because I'm using a different program to show you all this. I actually could have made this same video inside of this program, but I decided not to. The settings for your cam and your mic, share screen, so that's also a possibility. You can actually share your screen with people, and invite, and this is actually a very important one. So let's say you are making your live stream with 2 or 3 different persons, or you want to invite a guest. The only thing you have to do is click on invite, and you see here we have a link, and if you share this link with whomever you like to invite to your program, you just invite this link to them. They click on it, they enter their names, and as soon as they've done that and clicked on OK, it will appear right here, and then you can decide when and if you want to allow that person inside of the live stream by just clicking on the device over here. And here we can leave the studio. So this is a very easy way to use to live stream basically. And what you also can do is use the private chat, for instance. And the private chat you can use if you are working with 2 or 3 different people and you just want to say something to each other without anybody else knowing about that. So you can use the private chat as well, and you can change the settings. So this is a little bit how Streamyard works. It's a very good program, and even the paid version is not that expensive. So if you want to create YouTube videos or actually go live and create your own blog or own podcast is a better word for that, own podcast or an own book program like we have, it's very easy to use. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and press that notification button, and check out my other videos about book marketing and other tutorials. And for more information, go to www.jsharpefiction.com. See you in the next video.